G'day Australia, Korum E here. This is the Toyota Landcruiser rear door speaker upgrade. We're a little bit pressed for time today, so we're doing this real express. I'm going to show you how to pull the door apart real quick, and then we'll show you the speaker before and after fitment and upgrade. So first of all, to get your door trim off, you need to pop off a few panels. You're going to use your trusty panel removal tool. If you don't have a set of these, get a set from the website, links below in the video description. Now, the first panel you want to pop off is this little guy from behind the door handle. Pop that little guy out with your panel tool. That will expose a Phillips head screw. Then you're going to pop off this panel with your panel removal tool. Pop behind all the clips and remove that little guy out of the way. Then you're going to lift up this little panel which has the window switch in it, and you're going to unplug that bad boy. You might notice that I've pre-done all this because we're in a little bit of a hurry today to get a lot of work done. And then you've cleared up all this. You're going to see a Phillips head screw here, in here, and in here. Undo those 3 Phillips head screws. They're the only screw fasteners in this door. The rest are clips to pop out. Now, you've got another little panel down under here. Not a panel, sorry. The little light housing. Some of the Landcruisers have a light in here. Some of them don't. This is one of the ones that doesn't. That's just a filler. And then there's a plug behind there that you need to unplug as well. This is the 12th time I've dropped that thing today. So you're going to unplug that little plug. That's going to free up everything from the door except for the cable drive. So then you're going to pop this out, release the clips at the bottom of the door there, and then you'll see the door trim has all the movement in it. So it's just the top that's hanging over, which we need to free up now. Let's see if we can do that with one hand. There we go. So we lift the door trim up to get it off that top ledge, and that will expose these 2 cables, which again I've pre-released here for speed, and they're just linked into the door handle and lock release mechanisms. So pop those little fellas out, and that will free up your door trim. Put the door trim away somewhere safe and out of harm's way while you're working on the door. Then we're going to pull out this speaker and refit the new one with the plug and play kit. Alrighty, Australia, I'm going to show you the next step of this. Now you can see this door, we've added a lot of sound deadening material to it as well. This is a great idea. Not entirely necessary, but it does help your speaker as well as deadening a lot of road noise. Now I'm just going to switch camera and come around to this side for you to show you the next step. So this is the speaker mounting ring that's included as a part of your kit. This is some sound deadening material that's been added around it to reinforce it. Like in the Elite Speaker install kits, there's a link below to the Elite Speaker install kit that'll let you build this up. Now this was done by the trainee, so it's not the prettiest, but it is still highly effective. It solidly deadens that whole area and takes the rattle out of the door. Now we're going to fit in this amazing aftermarket speaker to replace the factory one, and we're going to shove some more power into this later with an amplifier upgrade on this car as well. The first step of the process is to connect your plug and play connector, which is included in your package from Audiocom Online Universal Fuse, and that simply just clips into the factory speaker connector. And then you'll see here on the kit there's a little cutaway there. It's called some cable relief cutaway that lets the cable sit into that position so that when we screw the speaker on, when we plug that speaker in and screw it on, it's not going to get crushed by the speaker basket. So let's get this speaker all mounted up. We now mounted that speaker in with the plug. We've used all 8 fastening points on this one. The more you screw it in, the better. Unfortunately, because of the placement of the terminals, we had to put the speaker on upside down, but that logo will be covered by the door trim, and it's connected plug and play with the factory speaker connector, so we haven't had to cut or chop or adapt this connector at all, and that's just linked through to that speaker for a high quality professional installation. Now we just need to refit the door trim and reverse the process that we showed you before, and you'll be good to thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I hope you learned something, and I hope this helps you with your own Toyota rear speaker upgrade. Check out the website audiocom.online, and there's heaps of packs for heaps of cars. We've got all sorts of things on there. If you can't find what you need, flick us an email and we will put a pack together specific for you. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks again. See you again next time.